cost and stuff.
Hey there, my name is Richard and welcome back to my video. And today's video we're going to be installing our louvers on the 350Z. And right here, these are the louvers I used to have on my car back then, but I took them off after a while. After about a year or so of having them on the car, the back piece of the 3M, it actually fell off, but I ended up getting some replacements. In today's video we're going to put them on, but before that we're going to have to clean up the rear windshield. So I already cleaned the glass, and what I ended up doing, I ended up getting my scotch. And what I'm going to be doing with this is that I'm going to put a little bit on the back of the louvers, because when I used to have it once on the side over there on the right of right there in the 3M piece, that eventually over time with the water and dirt and everything, eventually it will go into the back of the louvers and they'll get dirty, and eventually it will just fall apart. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add an extra piece of scotch so it could even it out, and after that I'll be right back again. I already cleaned the windshield, and for now I'm gonna place it on the windshield, and from there I'm gonna see how it sits, and from there I'm gonna see which side is the one that sits lower than the other, and from there I'm gonna take them off, put the scotch and put them back in, and I'll be back. So as you guys can see, I already put the extra scotch on the bottom of each and every single one of the bottom piece, and now they're finally going to go back on the car. Hopefully this time actually lasts a little bit longer than how it was before. First I'm just going to place it over softly. Yeah, so as you guys can see, now they're finally on the car. Now it's slowly trying to turn like how I used to have it. I like how they look. Down the road I would actually like to have the Zacotec ones, the aluminum ones, but for now this is what I actually do. To then I just leave them. The only thing I don't like about them is that whenever I'm driving on the highway, the bottom ones don't give you an issue, but the ones on the upper part up here, they tend to vibrate and actually wiggle like that. But imagine that at around 70 to 80 miles on the highway, just vibrating right there. But besides that, they're actually good. I just wouldn't recommend going through a automatic car wash in one of these. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, my name is Ricky. Peace.